legal person. Fizicistski lisan, juridicistski lisan. Okay. So the challenge is that there will be a third thing which is called as Sifravi visa. Okay. And for our legal system, it is very difficult to accommodate it somewhere. But this concept is not new, or I am not presenting this concept today. In our legal history, we have so many cases. For example, we have cases when the people have left billions of dollars for their cat. So the cat is much richer than a human. So we have cases in British colonialism when the Britishers they needed horses for the war. Okay, so they gave these horses to the people and they gave land so that the people could work on the land and bring money so that the horse can eat something. Okay, so this land which was given to the people, it was land registered not on the name of the person but on the name of the horse. So the horse was the owner of this land and the human was working for this horse. Recently we have seen that the dolphins have got legal status, which means that if you disturb the dolphin, it is as equal as you are disturbing a human being. Or we have this understanding from previous many centuries that in India, the Ganges rivers, they are as sacred and as equal in rights as a human. Okay, and this is a person in China last year, he made a robot. And then he said that this robot is my wife and I want to marry this robot. And he also applied for the passport of this self-made wife. And this is not only in China, we have seen this in many countries. People are marrying with the robots which they have made. So not only this, but in Japan you have seen this news that they are even using the robots for their religious purposes. Means the what do you say, the mullah robots they have, yes. And the legal question is, when we will have this advanced super intelligence, we will be making these robots, we will be enslaving them, yes, or they will be enslaving us. Yes. There are equal possibilities. So the first legal question is how to accommodate these super intelligent beings into our legal system, and the best available option is to create a separate legal personality. So there will be Fizicistski lista, Juridicistski lista, and Sifravi lista. Okay. Now a little bit about which our colleague have already mentioned about 5G and Internet of Things. What does it mean by Internet of Things? Means the 5G technology will be installed into different things, and these things will have ability to communicate with each other. For example, your car building knows that the car koshkas have finished, so it can automatically order it from the Kurzinka. Okay, so with the passage of time, there will be conflicts that you will think that you haven't ordered this thing, but this thing has arrived at your home. So there will be many breaches of contracts, maybe tort, maybe negligence, and blah blah blah. And these concepts are not very far from Uzbekistan. You have already smart city, the colleagues were mentioning about this. And this is an understanding, legal understanding, which is called as Internet of Tort. So tort law, you know about the tort law, which is that you disturb someone, you have to compensate it. So what will happen when the things will start disturbing each other? Yes. So how our legal system will respond to this? Then the smart contracts, colleagues have already mentioned about it, I will not talk about it. But there are many benefits of smart contracts, but there are some minuses also of smart contracts. For example, the colleagues mentioned that blockchain or the smart contract which is based on blockchain cannot work properly unless you don't meet 100% of conditions. But our traditional contracts, they are flexible. You can negotiate if there is something right or something wrong, something to add, something to decrease. Okay? So when there will be smart contract, it is not good for small business. Because small business or the medium-sized people, they cannot afford this technology or they cannot execute this technology. For them, the traditional contract, which are based on the flexibility, they are much more beneficial than the smart contract because of their expensiveness, because of their rigidity. So the flexible contract will be in use for small and medium-sized businesses. And it is not to spend more time on this. Then this thing is big data. Data is considered as the oil of 21st century. So previously, if you have oil, you are rich, but if you have data today, it means you are rich. And when you have data, it means you have so many reservations. For example, data protection. Your data has been recorded, but who is using this? You don't have control over it. Okay, so when you have no control on something, there is a legal issue. For example, your DNA, someone can take your DNA and it can be decoded, and the sequence of your DNA can be used for making money. For example, you can give your DNA, you can get the sequence of your DNA, and you can make money out of it. For example, there are companies who are interested in buying your DNA data. You upload your data, you can do the privacy setting, how your data will be used, and the buyers will find you. Usually these buyers are the pharmaceutical companies, and they will pay you money, and you can make money out of your DNA. Means it is the easy money. It is like in old times the poor students used to sell their blood or something. Yes. Now you can just give the sequence of your DNA data, because the companies are interested to see what is in your DNA, so that they can anticipate about the upcoming diseases and the vaccines in future. So medical technologies and legal challenges, I would like to mention about this because I am a medical doctor also, and this is my area of interest. For example, there are autonomous robots. At present, today, there are many hospitals who are using these autonomous robots who can perform surgeries without the intervention of doctor. Means there is no doctor who can supervise the process. The robot can do surgery by its own. So what if robot does something wrong? Who will be the liable? Robot will be liable, or the person who has made this robot, he will be liable, or the doctor will be liable. So there are different thresholds that how we will decide that who is liable in which case. For example, yes, you can get designer babies. Genetic engineering, biotechnology has become so advanced that you can design your baby, you can decide the color of the eyes, you can decide the color of the hair, you can decide the height, and in future it will be possible to do the gene editing to decide the intellect of your baby. So when we will start doing this, there will be so many cases related to the heritage law, for example, related to the inheritance of the property, and just the relationship of family law will be disturbed. So nanomedicine is an area where you use small robots for medicinal purposes, and this is a concept newly emerged which is called as biobot. So the biobot is half robot and half biological thing. So there is chemical also and there is material also. So it is half robot, means half metal and half something biological. Okay. So with the presence of these type of things, means in future, if you find a real Terminator who is half machine and half human, yes, means we are going towards that direction. This is something which is happening right now, which is called as 3D printed body parts, and many people have many reservations that it is legal or not. Can you print your body part 3D? Or especially the religious people, or in the religious law, they have so many reservations that it is good or bad, and so on. This is an even interesting concept which is called as cryonics. Means if you are about to die, you think that you are going to die, you can contact with this company and the company can come and take your body. So they will keep your body into special fluid so that it shouldn't be decomposed, and when after 200 years or 300 years technology will be advanced, they will get back you to the life. So this is not sci-fi, this is actually happening, and I don't need to talk about the legal challenges. You can understand by itself that how many legal challenges are there. So technology and intellectual property, colleague has already talked about it. For example, this is a Microsoft robot. This Microsoft robot has written a poetry book, and this is completely autonomous robot who can write poetry books. And I went to meet this robot last year in China, in Microsoft headquarters. That this, because I am also a poet, I also wrote 2 books of poetry. But this was interesting for me to meet with the robot who can also write poetry. Okay, so I went to meet with this robot, and this was the professor who actually worked on this project. So, and then there is one very technical question. My lawyer's friend will understand this, which is the autonomous output of AI. For example, a robot has produced something by its own. Can he get the intellectual property rights of this or not? So this is a question which is being debated. Okay, so the machine has produced a work. the machine has produced a work, can he get the patent of this work or not? Because the work has been produced by the machine, not by the person who has made this machine. Okay. So then there are human rights, which is an area of legal sciences and technological innovations. For example, facial recognition technologies. I have seen that in Tashkent metros you have already installed cameras who can do the facial recognition. And then there is the social surveillance system, means the government can monitor that what you are doing, what you are buying, what you are selling. Are you violating the traffic signals or not? Or based on this they give you rating, means you are a good citizen, you are a bad citizen. So you are being watched, means there is no privacy and there are legal concerns related to